In this video, I'm going to show you how to share an Instagram post on your Snapchat, and it's pretty easy to do once you know how, so let's get started. Okay, so first things first, you need to open Instagram up, of course, and find the post that you want to share. And this can be any post you want, it doesn't have to be a specific one, or it could even be one of your own posts. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to choose this one quickly from my feed. And what you want to do once you find the post that you want to share is make sure that you're logged into your Snapchat account on Snapchat, ready to go before you do this. But you just want to press on the three dots now, just above the post you picked out. And from this list of options, you need to tap on Share To. So just tap that, and then this will pop up. And from here, you can either press on Copy to copy the link to the post, or you can directly choose Snapchat from this list of apps that pops up. And I'm just going to choose Snapchat from this list as it's much quicker. Now you'll see a list of friends pops up, and you can select the friend or multiple friends that you want to send this link to. And before you send it, you can also add a caption in this add to chat part just up here. And I'm just going to put, look at this cool post for the sake of this tutorial. And when you're ready, just press on send. Now it will take you back to Instagram. And if we go ahead and head over to Snapchat just like this and tap on our chats, and as you can see, it has shared the post. Now for some reason it's not doing it now, but I'll try and get a picture of what this usually looks like. As you can see, it will show you a thumbnail of the post, and it will give you the poster's name and at. Anyway, of course, from here, the person you shared it with can go ahead and tap on it like this to be taken to the post in Snapchat's built-in browser, but they can just tap on Open in App at the top, just like this, to be taken into the app where they're logged in and can like and comment on the post. So that's how you share an Instagram post on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, please like the video and consider subscribing for more tips, tricks, and tutorials just like this one. And if you have any further questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'm sure I can help you out. Anyway, see you next time. Bye bye.